same day, different video. We're going to TJ Maxx for
Yes.
you guys. What are we looking for?
Lounge flies, bubble bar, Halloween decorations. And I need dry shampoo.
Ooh, I'm looking for something, but I can't announce it. So we'll see.
What are you looking for?
Well, we'll find out if I see it.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
TJ Maxx.
Ooh, ooh.
One of my favorite stores. I'm a TJ Maxx person. Mike is a Marshalls
That's
person.
because the men's section doesn't appear in TJ Maxx's.
TJ Maxx is, I'm not ever here for clothes. I'm always here for everything else.
They don't even have men's shoes here.
Oh my God, who cares about shoes when there's purses? I see a bog bag. How much is the bog bag?
$60. Isn't that retail?
No, they're like 90 retail. So what's up with like the Von Dutch coming back? Crazy. I am a fan of the tassels. Mike's shaking his head. It's also a place to come if you're looking for cheaper suitcases, especially right now. This one's on sale for 64 bucks. That's actually pretty nice. $64. I don't need it though.
I don't see any lounge flies yet.
Yeah, they like don't get them here anymore.
Harder to find.
Do you think that's considered a carry-on?
No, because it's too wide like my suitcase was.
Not a carry-on, a personal item.
Oh, no, absolutely not.
What about this?
Does it fit under a seat? That?
Yeah.
Maybe. But that's like the same size as the Chip and Dale bag.
Yeah, but there's more pockets and it's more like waterproof. I have been using a Chip and Dale Christmas bag forever as my carry-on on planes, and I feel ridiculous doing so.
A little bag for your bag.
Cute.
Yeah. You like miniature things. Lucky brands.
That's cute. Oh, it's a Lucky brand. All right, bubble bar. So rude. Very cute. Are they on sale? Or are they just on the clearance rack?
$17 still. I think they were misplaced.
I do not need those, but they are very cute. I have very similar ones that I bought last year for when we go. That's cute with the little paw prints. Anything good on this side?
Negative.
Mike's got a good eye for jewelry.
I have a lot of stitch. Oh, we got some bag charm. Golf clubs. We saw that in Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah, it's very cute.
Power Pump Girls.
These are the ones that I have from last year. The back ones there. If the camera focuses, there it goes.
We got a Winnie the Pooh here, and then a Winnie the Pooh there. Some Stitch Ohana's.
Sorry for the background noise if you guys hear that. They're like wheeling carts all around.
Whole collection here.
Oh, these ones are cute with the spiders. Look at the little Mickey ghost back there. Oh, I don't need them. I don't need them. I love Bubble Bar though, and that's my problem. Put these ones back where they belong.
Go on this right side.
These are all so good. I like that keychain too.
I feel like they're organized where all this is Disney or pop culture.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing on that side. You got these necklaces, big, small, smaller.
Cute. All the little ghosties are so cute. Yeah, these are all very non-Halloweeny. All right, we have some cute little Halloweeny stuff going on here. Nice pin board for $20, honestly. Is it thick, Mike? Like you could. Yeah, that's a nice one.
20 bucks.
That'd be really pretty if you had like a
Haunted
princess.
Mansion pins.
I was thinking like a princess display, like
totally.
Beauty and the Beast.
Totally different.
Look, here's another one. That one's nice too.
That's pretty.
That's not one. How much is this one? This one's only $10. Oh, that's nice because you can stand it up like a photo frame.
True, true, true.
I just don't know, like maybe cruise line specific pins
That's
or
what
something.
I was thinking. Our cruise ones. That might be a good idea.
Yeah, I like tried making a shadow box for our cruise line ones, and it's terrible. So maybe we should buy that because that would be nice for our cruise line ones. Or we could even throw like Chip and Dales on there or something. What are those? Are those all different little mini ones?
Those are frames.
Oh, those are all frames.
Time is now 9 o'clock and the store will be closing in 30 minutes. We ask that you please bring your final selections to the front register for a fast and courteous tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Again, the time is now 9 o'clock and the store will be closing.
We still have a half hour, guys.
You got a better dog here.
Oh. Oh. I love them all. Oh, I'm getting like a really bad reflection of you in there. Here, just stand up. You can kind of see it. Because her face goes in there. Cute. I love this little dog too. I have a thing with dogs. There's a teddy bear.
$30, guys. $30.
Oh God, that ain't worth $30.
For $15 more, we can get the one in the last video at Home Depot with the
Okay,
shirt.
but this one for $13. Put it in the car.
What about this one?
That's the one that I wanted. $13. I think I should buy it and put it outside of my room. Is that a skull?
It's a dinosaur skull.
I love all of these this year.
It's funny, before I met her, she hated Halloween.
I do not hate Halloween. I'm into cutie Halloween. Like hanging lace ghosts. Cutie Halloween.
Look at
Cutie
it's me
Halloween.
and you when we're dead.
Oh,
Cute.
see? Cutie Halloween. This mirror's pretty funky.
Look at Jack Jack.
Oh, how much is that one?
13.
Oh, I really want one. There's a pig. Is this a pig? Oh no, it's a skull. It looked like a pig from this angle, does it not? I think it looks like a pig.
I don't see it. Yeah, what the Sanderson sisters. It's the Sandersons.
This pretty ghost display. That's not really the Sanderson sisters. There's 3 sisters in Hocus Pocus, Mike.
Whatever. Look at me and you and what that.
Oh, it's Frankenstein and the Bride of Frankenstein. Cutie Halloween. Guys, Mike and I, if we were dogs. And dead. Mummified.
Me, you, and Luna.
I love all of these. I didn't see this one in the little witchy hat. They're so cute. Whew, it's really hot in the store right now. I am debating. Oh, here's Winnie the Pooh. Eeyore. I'm debating if I should get the dog, the bear, or the other dog, or the other dog. So there's like the Cocker Spaniel, the dog in the witch's hat, or the black lab with the pumpkin. And I'm thinking the black lab with the pumpkin. What are you thinking?
I like the black lab.
Yeah, he's partial to black labs, but it's really cute.
No, I didn't even notice Eeyore.
Yeah, I just pointed that out while you walked away. All right, let's go get the black lab because he's the only one here.
Oh, you're buying them?
I think we need to. He's very cute.
It's like Monsters Inc. inspired.
Mike found more candles, so we're gonna sniff them. This one's one more scare.
I guess.
Okay.
So it smells like late night scary movies and sleeping with the lights on. That's how I felt after the movie Up.
Honestly, it smells like when you were a teenager and you would go to a boy's house and watch a scary movie, aka a ton of cologne.
Yeah. Midnight Autumn. It smells like E.T.
Oh my God.
Doesn't it?
How much is that? It smells like the cue to E.T.
$10.
Do you think it smells like the cue to E.T.?
That was the first scent that came to my mind. It probably isn't, but just because it's close, that's why I thought of it.
Smell the lovers. It's next to it.
That just smells like cinnamon.
Oh, yeah,
I hate
no.
the smell of
I
cinnamon.
ain't about that. Moonlight Pages. Mike, walk away. before. I can smell them all. That one smells good. He's missing out.
Any more blankets?
More blankets. I think we do need them. This one's so soft.
Not really, it's a little rough.
I think it's soft. That's the full design. It's very cute. Oh, it's a table runner. More table runners.
That's soft, but boring.
Yeah, very boring. Very cutie pillows too. He's carrying all my purchases. What a good boyfriend. And he's buying socks. Very cute pumpkin Spidey pajamas. See, pumpkin, Spidey. Snoopy, Reese's, Cookie Monster. All the fun stuff. All right, right by the checkout we have some snow globes. A frog, a witch. More cutie little dog things. Those hands are cute.
Do you need more Clippies?
Sesame Street. Ooh, I see some cute clips. Thanks, Mike. Do I need these? They're very cute. Oh, these ones are cute with like the Spidey. I don't need clips right now. Okay, so TJ Maxx haul, we're only $53 down.
Not too
so
bad.
not too bad. First, we got this pin board for $10. Our cruise pins will look great on it.
Agreed.
And then, of course, I had to get my little pumpkin.
And it lights up if you flick the switch on the bottom.
There's a switch on the bottom.
The jack-o'-lantern lights up. You can kind of see it.
Oh yeah. Oh, how cute. I'm so happy that we got him and he is now adopted. And what are we going to name him?
I don't know.
Me neither. We'll name him though eventually.
Jack-o'-lantern.
Jack.
Because my dog's was a black lab and his name was Jack.
Black socks.
Black socks and dry shampoo.
Dry shampoo. But yeah, that is our TJ Maxx haul and
We'll see you in the next one.
bye.
Bye.
Luna, you ready? Catch it.